hand mixer is a small tool that can make a big difference in your kitchen. From cake batter and whipped cream to mashed potatoes, the right model saves time and effort. In this video to the best hand mixers, we'll compare speed settings, power, weight, and ease of cleaning so you can mix smarter every day. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Lord Eagle 5-Speed Hand Mixer. If you want a powerful hand mixer that still feels easy to control, the Lord Eagle 5-Speed Hand Mixer is designed with your everyday baking in mind. With 5 clearly defined speeds, you can move from slow mixing to faster whipping, adjusting exactly how you need for batters, creams, or doughs so every recipe feels more manageable. Powered by an upgraded all-pure copper motor, it delivers a minimum of 300 watts and peaks at 400 watts on the highest speed. That means you can mix dough, eggs, milk, butter, cake batter, or cream quickly and efficiently without the mixer feeling underpowered. Fast heat dissipation and built-in overheat protection help keep the motor safe, giving you more confidence during heavier or longer mixing sessions. The adjustable speed control and turbo boost feature give you extra flexibility, especially if you're just starting out. You can begin at a lower speed to avoid splashing, then use turbo to quickly increase power when you're ready. If things feel too fast, you can turn off all speeds and reset using the left control button. Dishwasher-safe attachments make cleanup simpler, so you're more likely to use it often instead of saving it for special occasions. Paired with a 4.5-liter capacity bowl, stainless steel construction, and 120-volt compatibility, this hand mixer gives you strong performance, thoughtful safety features, and user-friendly controls that support you through both everyday and special baking projects. At number 4, Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer. If you want a hand mixer that stays organized and easy to use, the Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer is designed to fit your routine. The snap-on storage case keeps the 2 beaters and whisk in one place, so you're not digging through drawers or wondering where an attachment disappeared to when you're ready to bake. You get 6 speed options plus a quick burst button that gives you an extra boost of power whenever you need it. That means you can start slow to combine dry and wet ingredients, then speed up for whipped cream, frosting, or thicker batters. You stay in control of the texture instead of adjusting to what the mixer can handle. This mixer comes with 2 traditional beaters and a whisk, all dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup less of a hassle. When you're done mixing, you simply press the speed dial to eject the attachments so you don't have to pull or twist with messy hands. With a 250-watt peak power motor, plastic and stainless steel construction, and 120-volt compatibility, this hand mixer is built to handle everyday baking tasks, from folding chocolate chips into cookie dough to making smooth, fluffy whipped cream. It gives you reliable performance in a design that helps you stay organized and ready for your next recipe. Number 3, we have the Yomelo 9-Speed Digital Hand Mixer. If you want a hand mixer that feels modern, powerful, and easy to control, the Yomelo 9-Speed Digital Hand Mixer is built with you in mind. Its 400-watt DC motor delivers strong, steady power while staying impressively quiet, with a noise level around 50 decibels. The lightweight 2.76-pound body and soft touch handle help you maintain a secure, comfortable grip during longer mixing sessions. You get 9 clearly defined speed settings, so you can match the power to what you're making. Start at the lowest speed when you're folding in chunky ingredients like chocolate chips, nuts, or even shredding cooked chicken or potatoes. Move up through the higher speeds when you're whipping eggs, egg whites, or cream to a light, airy texture. The strong torque means you don't have to worry about the mixer struggling with thicker mixtures. The soft start technology is especially helpful in a busy kitchen. Instead of jumping straight to high speed, it gently ramps up, helping reduce splattering and flour clouds, even when you're working with dry or delicate ingredients. That gives you more control and keeps your workspace cleaner. Touch button controls and the digital display make it easy to see and adjust your speed at any moment. When you're finished, you can eject the accessories with a single button press. The attachments are dishwasher safe, so cleanup feels quick and manageable. With its modern design and intuitive features, this digital hand mixer is made to fit smoothly into your daily cooking and baking routine. At number 2, KitchenAid 5 Ultra Power Speed Hand Mixer. If you want a light, easy-to-handle mixer that still gives you solid control, the KitchenAid 5-speed Ultra Power Hand Mixer is a great fit for your kitchen. With 5 clearly defined speeds, you can gently fold in nuts or chocolate chips on speed 1, then move up to speed 5 when you're whipping egg whites or heavy cream for fluffy, airy results. You'll appreciate how comfortable it is to use. The soft grip handle helps you maintain control during longer mixing sessions, and at just 2 pounds, it's easy on your wrist. The 60-watt motor is well suited for everyday baking tasks, from cake and brownie batters to frostings and quick mixes. The locking swivel cord is a thoughtful touch. You can lock it into either the left or right side of the mixer, so you're free to approach your bowl from the angle that works best for you, whether you're right or left-handed. The round cord is also simple to wipe clean, which is especially helpful when things get a little messy. Attachments are designed for convenience. They're dishwasher safe, and with the single-handed accessory release button, you can quickly remove beaters or other accessories without fuss. Paired with a 5.3-liter capacity bowl, 120-volt compatibility, and durable plastic construction, this hand mixer is built to support your everyday baking routine, making it easier to say yes to homemade treats more often. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Cuisinart Power Advantage PLUS 9-speed hand mixer. If you want a hand mixer that gives you both control and confidence, the Cuisinart Power Advantage PLUS 9-speed hand mixer is built to support the way you bake. Its 220-watt motor with automatic feedback adjusts as you mix, maintaining steady power when your batter gets thicker, so you don't have to worry about the mixer slowing down mid-recipe. You get 9 clearly defined speed options managed with simple push-button controls and a one-step power switch with an easy-to-read LED display. This helps you fine-tune your mixing, whether you're slowly incorporating dry ingredients, creaming butter and sugar, or whipping cream and egg whites to just the right peak. The Smooth Start feature uses 3 low initial speeds to help reduce splattering, which is especially helpful when you're working with thin batters or powdered ingredients. You can start gently, then increase the speed as your mixture comes together, giving you a cleaner workspace and more control over texture. The extra-long stainless steel, self-cleaning beaters are dishwasher safe and designed without center posts, so ingredients are less likely to get stuck and clog. When you're finished, the beater eject lever lets you release them quickly and cleanly, keeping the process simple from start to finish. Built with a stainless steel construction, a comfortable 4-pound weight, and 120-volt compatibility, this hand mixer is designed for regular use in a busy kitchen. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which hand mixer you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.